Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to set system date and times in Windows 10. First of all, we have go to on date and time on taskbar, then right click on it. Here we will see adjust date and time. Click on it. Here we will see date and time. Set time automatically. We click on option on and set time zone automatically. We also pick on. It means system time and system zone are set automatically. If we want to set manually, then we click on it and same click on it. Okay, we can set the system time manually. Here we will see we can set the system date and time manually, like August 9. We can change date, year and month. Same, we can set the time, hours, minutes and PM. Okay, we can change it if we want to do. If we don't, then we click on cancel. My suggestion is system time should be set automatically. It's best option. And set time zone also automatically if you don't want to change it. However, you can set it manually, like your own your time setting. Like here these are different options you can see. You can set according to your own requirement. Friends, you can also go to related setting option, date, time and regional format. Here you can see you can set your country, region, regional format and other set date format. You can also set the change the date formats according to your own requirement. It's one option. Friends, you can also set the system date and time through system settings. Go to system settings, then go to time and language setting. Same options are seen here, which we have already looked in previous method. You can set the system date and time region according to your requirement and as you required.